Alright guys, this is Daragon from YouTube anyway. If you can see this is a RAM stick anyway. I got this new laptop like I said in the unboxing. So I figured I'd make a video of me switching the RAM. Hopefully I could do it correctly without breaking the laptop, otherwise I'm fucked. Anyway, I didn't open it yet. So, let's begin. You see my ugly ass in the video. Fucking... No, not these goddamn screws, man. Alright guys, hold up as I try to loosen this screw a little bit. Alright guys, 20 years later, I finally fixed it. Jesus Christ. Those screws get tougher and tougher every time I open up a new electronic. Trying to see where it would open up. I would presume it is loose, so I guess I'll use a little flathead and slide it somewhere over here. Damn, I don't know where to open it. Kinda sucks. Nope. I don't want to break the goddamn thing. Looks like right here. The sweet spot, I think. Jesus Christ. Do I gotta like beat it some more? So I guess I slide it. Maybe lift it. Jesus Christ. I'm not. I think it's on this side. Motherfucker. See, that's why I hate doing this, because you can easily fuck up your electronics doing this. This spot has the most space, so I'm thinking it slides off here or something. Yeah, it keeps opening more and more, so... I'm not for this stuff. I do not condone if you're not good with this. Replace with HP share. Alright, I don't know what that means, but whatever. Anyway, basically I think you put it in crooked. I think it's right here. You put it in crooked, so to speak. Yeah. Yep. Tap it. I don't think it's not straight. Don't want to break the goddamn thing, but the RAM goes right here. I know for a fact. It's one, it fits. There we go. You push it like at this angle, and after that you push it under the springs. You should be good to go, except that looks really shitty, so let me make sure I got it. It looks really crooked for some reason, and I don't like it. So we'll go like that. That's cool. Okay, so maybe it is supposed to be that way. I think it's supposed to look crooked. Fuck if I know. For some reason, it's either my thing is crooked or it's a goddamn sticker in the way. That's what it is. Fucking sticker. Yep. I think so. Let me see. Yep, the sticker's crooked. Wow, I thought I was putting it crooked. Guess not. You just push it in at an angle like that. Push it down. And seems pretty evenly aligned. There's the hard drive, I'm almost positive. I think that's wireless. And I'm not sure, I think this is the disk drive. Anyway, that's pretty much how you do it. I only took forever because I don't like messing with this stuff, because it's not for me. I don't like breaking my stuff, so. Anyway, I guess to put it back on, yeah, you gotta slide it or something. So, you find it, yeah, you slide it like that. And screw it you don't want to strip the screw, so really be careful. I did with pliers, and basically what I did is I tapped it like, and then put my thumb on it and then twisted it to turn it off. It took a few minutes, so if you can't get it in a few minutes, it's okay. Just keep trying. You should be good. Let me turn on my laptop and I'll let you know if it works. As you can see, it says 8GB RAM. Yeah, as you can see, be careful, really. This is my new laptop, this is my old one, so that's just evidence right there that I did switch it. Be very careful when you do this. I wouldn't advise it if you're gonna be drinking soda around it and shit. Just be careful.